Hi, baby. You like pear? Do you want to bite of mommy's pear? Mmm. Say, I love pears. I love pears. You like that? Do you want some more? You gotta finish chewing. Oh, you like it? Mmm. You're cute. You're a good girl. Chew, chew, chew. Want one more bite? Your mommy gonna feed you. Mommy's gonna feed you. Bite. Mmm. Good girl. Say bye.